was amazing. So here I go again, right? I can't thank Healy and Mag Healy enough. I always tell people, whoever I meet, if you have Healy and Mag Healy in your life is sorted. Whether it is physical, emotional, whatever you say, it's basically all sorted, right? And that's what I want to say here today. So to begin with, 1.5 years ago, I got Healy in my hand, and forever thankful to Pushpadev Sharma. He insisted we got the Healy, and we started our journey. And it has been so amazing. The first 2 months, we were just using all the guided programs by him, and one by one, things started happening. So, due to my menopause, I was facing depression, anxiety, I had bloating, I had terrible acid reflux, food imbalance, sciatica pain, pain in my right arm and in my thumb, and sleeplessness in the night. Everything in the first 2 months itself got sorted out. And I was so amazed. And Healy kept on giving me the programs of mature woman. And I'm soon going to celebrate that I'm done with my menopause. It's just about, I think, 2 months away now because we have to wait for 12 months. But this 1 year with Healy by my side has been wonderful. Otherwise, I would sleep suddenly for 4 hours. I would go into my room and not talk to anybody, and kind of things which were happening to me. Whatever support I took of Ayurvedic supplements, whatever support I took of any medicine, any yoga, any meditation, nothing actually helped me. I was going through also therapies, nothing helped me. Yes, on record, I should say that Healy is the only thing which kind of helped me finally with whatever I was facing with menopause. 101%, right? Today, me and my husband, we have stopped all the supplements, vitamins, whatever we were taking. Why? Because we have digital nutrition in our life. You just scan it every Monday. It gives you the 5 programs. Nothing, no need to use your brains. Whatever programs it's giving you, Healy knows what vitamins and minerals you want in your body. Just use that one program daily, 5 days, you are done. Isn't it so simple? People keep taking vitamins and minerals for years and they take the same thing and they don't even know if it's absorbed in your cells, whether it is doing any good. And here we are with the technology. So explore yourself completely with digital nutrition. It's amazing. Okay. I would like to say something over here. Whatever depression and anxiety I was mentioning was because of loss of friends, loss of connections, loss of business relationship that happened after Corona. And believe me, guys, whatever happened to Girish and me, today we are healed from that pain or from the grief of losing whatever we lost. I don't have any grief today, and to heal grief, I think there's nothing better than healing, because we lost 3 parents in a very short time frame, me and Girish, and it was very hard to get through the grief. We were not even able to visit when my dad died and when his mother died, and that guilt, that grief, Healy has released it today. That pain Healy has released. Whatever we were carrying like an emotional baggage with us. It's the most amazing thing. Another thing which I want to say is we were living in a house which was really not getting us anywhere. All opportunities coming, nothing was actually multiplying for us or nothing was actually cultivating into a good result. And from about August, I started vibrating the Magili almost 24 by 7. I'm doing either energy clearing or I'm doing the prosperity, whatever. And prosperity and energy clearing I've done like non-stop. And that's it. In November, we were able to shift into a beautiful house, and then the energy has shifted. Thanks to Healy, we were stuck into some kind of a stagnant energy, and Mag Healy really helped us. Because I had heard that yes, it shifts the energy in the house. It literally, it helped me manifest a nice, beautiful house. So that has really changed a lot of energy. And one of the most amazing things which I found recently, one of my friend, was suffering from ringing in the ears. Guys, I don't know whether you've heard about it, but it's like, they say that horses are running in my ears and big bells are ringing and I can't concentrate, I can't sleep. You can't see it, but the person goes through a mess, literally. And I started doing remote healing for this lady, and I used to call her every day. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? She says, Sheetalji, you give me healing, but let me just see what happens. Recently, I asked her after a long time. I said, now how do you feel? I don't want to jinx it. I can't hear anything much. Sometimes there is little sound, but that loud ringing is gone. Let me tell you, she visited so many doctors. There is no medicine for this.